Dazzlinglatte, and welcome to an Amazon unboxing. Oh boy. We've got that right there. Okay, so I'm gonna grab myself some scissors and open this bad boy on up. Okay. So, I ordered some really fun stuff, and I couldn't believe it got here this quickly because I had ordered it on, I ordered it a couple days ago, and I chose free shipping, but it arrived really quickly. So, I'm excited to pop this bad boy on open. See what we got in here. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Come on. Okay, so first we've got some vegan vitamin D vitamins by Diva or Deva. These, yeah, I take a D2 supplement, and I was almost out, so I ordered some. Also, I found, oh yeah, and these are only like $5, about $5 on Amazon, which I think is really cool, and it's a 90 count, so you don't run out for a few months, and I love that. And I also get their multivitamin, and that's also a 90 count, and you don't run out of that for 3 months, so I got they had a 24-pack of chili flavored ramen for I think it was like $8. I am not gonna run out of ramen for a really long time. Oh my gosh. And apparently, I really do hope that this is a vegan flavor. It said on the website that it was a vegan flavor, so yeah, hoping. The Oriental ramen, that has, what was it? It had something about beef. It had beef in it, and yeah, it used to not have beef in it, so I had to switch up my vegan ramen, you know, my ramen flavor, and, oh, fun! I have no idea what that was. Okay, let's put that on over there, and the last thing in the box is an, it's a HD video audio converter, and it's gonna help me out with some of the new like videos that I'm gonna be making. I'm hoping this is gonna work out, you know. I'm hoping, because I kind of want this, I want this to be better than the setup I have now. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh, look at this. Look at this. It's a Dongjian brand. I think it's like, you know, a brand. I don't know where I got this. It was only like $10, I think, like 10 or $11 on Amazon, and I will have a link to all this stuff in the description. But yeah, and then that's the little charger that goes into it. Oh, you get a 720p and 1080p. But yeah, I can't wait to try this out later, and if it works, I will do like a tutorial on it, because there are so many boring tutorials online for like video equipment and audio equipment and all that kind of stuff. People are just so boring, and I can't sit through it, and I would love to film something that's a little more exciting. So yeah, comment below if you want to see that, and yeah, for now I have to go, but until then, smooth sailing to you and your pirate crew.